A man hiccuped for 68 years and never found a cure. Charles Osborne began hiccuping in 1922 after a fall from a pig corral and didn't stop until 1990. That's around 430 million hiccups over his lifetime. Doctors believe a burst blood vessel triggered a spasm in his diaphragm. He tried dozens of treatments, but nothing worked. Despite it, Osborne lived a relatively normal life and even got married twice. His story became a medical mystery and a record holder. It's the world's longest hiccuping spree ever documented. Subscribe for more unbelievable human records.